Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing makeup built for this heat wave in the UK at the moment. It is boiling hot. In this makeup tutorial, we're going to be doing makeup with light products. Although still feeling hot, the makeup's going to stick and the makeup's feeling lightweight, so it's almost like I haven't got any makeup on. Keep watching to see what products I used, to have a chit chat and see all my techniques. It is literally 1,000 degrees in the UK. I'm in my house and I'm dying. Let me just check what the temperature is. When I was driving home anyway from work, it was 34 degrees outside. Today, the highest temperature was 35 degrees. And in the UK, guys, that is hot. I've been to Dubai, okay, and it was 42 degrees there. It is close to that, honestly. And also, our houses don't have air conditioning. But also, that was a lie. I do have an air conditioning unit. I just have no energy set up. Because I'm going to get even hotter. I'm going to get even more hotter, sweaty, and agitated. So I'll take it out maybe tonight when it gets more cool. It's like, I say tonight, it's 8 o'clock already, but it's still sunny, it's still bloody hot. Human Tra. I'm a sucker for buying things on the internet. Mango flavour. Because it's so hot, I wanted to do a summer boiling hot makeup look. And I can't find my mirror. So we're going to be using this as my mirror. With it being a million, bajillion, gazillion degrees outside, let's start with the eyebrows. We're going to be using my Got To Be so that my eyebrows stay in place. Guys, sorry about the inconsistency last week and at the start of this week. I didn't post anything. And you know what my New Year's resolution was to be changed. I just had a bit of a blip. I was just a bit stressed. I had a bunch of work stuff. It's the end of the fiscal year at work, you see. So I had like quite a bit of dollar to deal with there because I do like the finances in my department. And it was stressing me right out. While we're waiting for those eyebrows to dry, I'm going to go in with a primer. So because it's so boiling hot, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. because this mattifies my skin. So this is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. So I'm just going to go in. Also, guys, I found out the best information since it's summer. I didn't find out. I've self-diagnosed myself and I believe I'm correct. I am allergic to alcohol. I have really bad asthma, and every time I've been drinking for the past like year or 2 years, my asthma gets terribly bad. And I've never looked it up, but the other week I almost had an asthma attack. I went for a bottomless brunch. I was really bad and my arms went all numb, my hands all tingly. Yeah, so I had to get some steroids. And this weekend, it was my sister's birthday, so I literally had one drink and then my friend came over on Sunday and I had not even a full glass of wine, maybe 3 sips. Like when I say sip, I mean like this. That's 1 sip. Maybe 3 sips of wine. Didn't even finish a whole glass, nothing. And my asthma, again, was through the roof, so I'm on steroids again. I don't know if the right word's allergic, but I'm reacting to alcohol. I googled it and it said 10% of asthmatics it happens to. It like produces histamines, which is triggering me. That is me self-diagnosing, by the way. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this eyebrow pencil from Maybelline. It's in the shade, I don't know because it's all faded, but it's like a dark brown. It's not black, I think it's the darkest brown. So let's go in with that. So I'm just gonna be literally not making them any bigger like I usually do. I'm just drawing over my hairs. Sweaty upper lip alert. It's too hot to be wearing glasses as well. I've been wearing my eye contacts all week. Eyebrows done. Tacky skin and pencil brows. That's where we're at. Now I'm going to be going in with my Refi foundation in the shade 230W. Recently did a review on this foundation, so please take a look and see all my final thoughts. I did an all-day test. So I'm just going to use this and I'm going to apply it with a brush. Squeeze. 2 pumps on the face. We don't want too much because it's too hot. Just dab that in. And then I need another pump for my forehead. My door isn't shut today because it's far too hot for me to shut myself in. I was going to shut myself in and then I thought, no, because I'll be on death's door if I do. I'll be on death's door. So it's a very light foundation, hence why I used it. Okay, so it's not meant to be opaque, it's just meant to give me more of an even look. If you want to know if it's buildable or not, watch the video. Next, we're going to use my contour from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Tan. Got a bit of remnants on it, I haven't even opened it up yet. Okay, it's run out now. Oh, no, it's around the edges. Money's tight at the minute, guys. Hence why I'm scraping from around the outside. I mean, it's not the worst thing that I just had to do that. And I can't open it because a gal needs to pay for Coachella. To give us a bit of a bronzed look, you know? Because my Fenty one, I think, oh no, it's still warm, but this is quite toasty, this colour, and it's not so obvious. I feel like my Fenty one's the perfect mix of cool and warm. This one's just warm. Do you know what? I really wish I was going to Ibiza, guys, this year. I was talking to my friends about it. I went back when I was 22, so back in 2020. 4? No. When did I go to Ibiza? It's 2026. I'm 28. 6 years ago. I went to Ibiza. Let's check. Oh no, I was 24. I wasn't 22. It was in 2022, but I went when I was 24. That's why I got the years mixed up. There I am with my friend. Cuties. I really wanted to go again this year. Now let's go in with concealer. So I'm going with my Charlotte Tilbury. And this is also in the colour tan, but a brighter tan. Just a little bit. I'm sweating around my mouth right now. I put a dot on my nose. Maybe a little bit on my chin. And that's all we're doing. And maybe, actually no, we're doing a boop on the forehead. That's where it ends. I'm just going to use a beauty blender for that. And then I'm going in with some Fenty loose setting powder, OG. And it's very thin. It's a very light powder. And we're not going to be pressing that in. We're going to be dusting that on. And I just want to say that Charlotte Tilbury concealer goes a very long way. So you don't need much at all. And it's very light. Guys, who's watching the World Cup as well? I'm not. But I did a sweepstake at work. And I'm interested because I got Uruguay. I got Panama. And I got someone else who's not going to win. And I checked the results and I just think it's just not a good look, you know, so I'm not going to win that sweepstake. I'm not going to win any dollar. And I pulled out, and also some people weren't there, so I ended up pulling out them as well. One person I pulled Germany out. Sorry. And another person I pulled out Portugal. And then for myself, I pulled out Uruguay. And I know Uruguay's not the worst team, but I just feel they're not going to win. It's just not written in the stars for them this year, especially. Right, so I'm going to go around my mouth as well with this powder. I feel like I look a bit crazy. I'm just going to go over my eyebrows as well with that powder. I feel like I'm looking a bit crazy. I am looking crazy, and I'm not sure why. I'm actually not. So we're going to go in with just normal powder, foundation MAC powder on my face. I've also got a holiday coming up next month. So it's with my dad and my cousins. Going to that, I need a break. I need a break, I need a holiday, I need a trip. See, I knew it was gonna look spicy nice. It was just a minute, it was a process. Right, let's go in with my bronzer. I love this bronzer because it's just warm. It'll make me look sun-kissed. I want to try and do, I'm going to be 30 in a year and a half, and I want to do, but 30 things to do before I'm 30. Actually, no, maybe I'll do a list and then I'll do a YouTube video where we go through that list and then we'll complete that list together. We won't be cut into an extreme vlog channel, don't you worry. We're going to be going in with my Dior blush in the shade Pink. I feel like I haven't used this in a long time. The thing with blushes is they never run out. Well, they do, but they just take approximately 5.63 billion years. So let's blush that. I feel like this isn't giving sun kiss, it's giving like winter. Ooh, I've got my Pat McGrath one right here. We're gonna go in with Rimmel London blush in the shade Wildcard. And this is like more of a hot pink kind of blush. And then because we want to look sun kissed, we're going in the middle as well. Right, face done and dusted. Now I'm gonna go in with my setting powder actually, because I'm actually sweltering. So I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter. It has temperature control in it. No eyeshadow, remember. We're not doing that today. But we are going to be going in with some eyeliner and some mascara. No lashes, it's too hot. So while we're waiting for our face to dry, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. And this is Benefit eyeliner. Little wing. So now we're going to do mascara. I'm going to go in with this MAC mascara. I haven't used it in a long time, so let's see if it actually works. Looks alright. Smells alright. So here's the difference. Let me zoom you in. Yep, this eye definitely looks 10 times bigger. Mascara, done. Now we're just going to do a lip and then we're done. Okay, so we put the chestnut on. The Kylie lip liner, we're going to go in just in the centre of the lip with that. And that's what we're going in with, and that's the end of my makeup tutorial on this hot, fine, sweaty day. I know I've been chit-chattering and joking around the whole video, but this is feeling very lightweight in like a very nice, easygoing day kind of makeup look for me. So this is the makeup look. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're not dying of a million-degree heat like I am. Thank you for watching today's video. Thanks for having a little chit-chatter with me and just a little bit of a catch-up. I'm going to be back being consistent again, and I will see you next week in the next video. Bye!